Yo, what it do? We back in here. What's up, YouTube? We started off in the office. What's finna go down? We gotta make a beat real quick because we finna do an install. So I got get some music for the install, so we can have something to listen to while I wrench. But anyway, today we're gonna be putting on, I think, a 2.5 coil spacer on the truck. So kind of should level it out, make it a little taller. It's a little cheap spacers, man. I got them for like 60 something bucks. I was gonna go with the rough country, but it was like $99 for the same thing. I was like, nah, I'm good. So got these little 60 something spacers. I'm gonna throw in the coils, man. And we got some fog lights that I already installed, but one of them disappeared some kind of way. I don't know. But one of the fog lights went missing, so we got to replace that. And I got some not HIDs, but LEDs for the fog lights. I'm gonna try to retrofit those, make those work. So by the end of the episode, we should have a little bit of a taller truck with LED fog lights. So let's get to it. Let's get a beat real quick. Alright, so we out here. I'm gonna work over here. So we gotta get Camaro out. Let's do that real quick. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is measure, see what we're looking like. We're sitting at, I know you guys see that, 2 foot 8 inches though. On the driver, a little bit more on the passenger. Not gonna do too much talking, guys. Just gonna try to beat the heat, so I'm gonna get right to work. Take it all apart.
One week later.
All right, so
This video didn't go as planned at all. I don't even know the last thing I showed you guys, but I was in the garage starting on the truck, and Snake Eater 01 actually came and helped out. Before he got there, I pretty much had the fog lights done and ready. And then we started on the leveling kit spacer. So let's go outside and finish this up. Alright guys, so as you can see, the spacer, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the spacer, oh no, that's not it, is in there. So it's right there. Let's see what we got. So from the ground, and it's at an angle, it's aimed down, we're at 2 feet 11 inches. What it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. But just trust me, 2 feet and 11 inches. I want to say we measured it initially, it was like 2 feet 8 inches. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna go back and look at the footage right now because it's been like a week, but I think we gained like 2.5, 3 inches. So as you guys can see, it's definitely pretty much level now. So no more of that plain dive front end. So we can definitely get some muds on there now, man, and some bigger wheels. So that's the main reason I did this, was to get some bigger, wider wheels to go on the truck, and I didn't want to run into any rubbing issues. Meant that the front end was a lot lower. So and it feels like a real-ish truck now. Probably wondering, where's the tutorial? Why didn't I show you how to put them things on? Well, for one, I caught hell. Caught real hell trying to get the upper control arm to separate from the knuckle itself. I had to beat the hell out of it. And it really was a lot. It just tired me out. I had somewhere to be at 7 so I could only get one side done before I had to leave. And then the next day I was like, I'm gonna finish the other side and finish the video. I just lost all interest in doing it. I only had one good jack, so I had to get the truck up, which is already kind of sketchy, put it on jack stands, and then use the jack to kind of get the knuckle back up with the spring, compress that, get all that to work. It wasn't a lot of work, but I just didn't have the setup. It was hot as hell. I was sweating. And I'm gonna say this, guys, I failed. I failed. I didn't fail. I got one side. Me and Snake Eater got one side done. But I just wasn't interested in doing the other one. He's like, when you gonna do it? I'm just like, I don't even know. So I ended up calling a guy I kind of just met a couple weeks ago through my cousin, and took it to his shop, and he did the other side. Knocked it out 2 hours on a lift. So he had the right tools to get the job done and do it quickly. And for me, the return just wasn't good enough for me to spend that much time doing that again, dealing with that kind of stuff. So that's that. The truck is up. It's level now. The ride isn't that bad, to be honest with you. And I ain't gonna lie to you, this hair is gonna be rougher, but it's not that bad. But we also got these aftermarket fog lights, and probably want to see what those look like. It's bright as hell out here, but let me show you what that looks like. So anyway, guys, I got these fog lights off of eBay. It's like $70 for the kit, and they aren't factory or anything like that, but they're aftermarket, but they fit in the brackets. So I threw an LED in there, and they pretty much, let me turn the headlights on. So they pretty much match, I hate that it's so light outside, but they pretty much match the fog light in brightness. 2.5 inch lift or leveling kit, fog lights. She's looking a lot better to me, man. I can't wait to put some wheels and tires on it. Like I said, we're gonna redo the front end because the paint is atrocious right now, man. So this grill is gonna be replaced. The bumper, I'm gonna go with the black bumper that can be painted. Like I said, this is gonna be the textured bumper, so that chrome won't chip anymore. And we'll probably get an actual new style grill. And I'm thinking about swapping these headlights out, even though I like them, but I kind of want to go with a DRL type. So but that's it, guys. I know this video is kind of short and it didn't have a lot of action, but the truck is definitely on its way to becoming the tow rig-ish, you know, type deal. You know, it's probably throw a torque cam in it, some headers, a little something like that, just to make it you know, a little more powerful. It's a 4.8 in there. There's turbo kits that are really cheap, and for some reason, it was on the other fender too. There was a turbo sign on this truck. There's no turbo under the hood though, so yeah. But anyway, guys, yeah, man, so this truck's coming along. I know you guys haven't seen much or care too much about it, but I'm telling you, this is gonna be cool, man. Pay attention now because it's gonna get really cool. Get you some truck content. We're gonna do some stuff to the engine. We're gonna make it quicker, faster, stronger, and yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. She's ready. Make sure you know what to do, man. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below if you got one of these things, or if you know something else I can do to it to make it cooler. You know, that's pretty much it, guys. Copart project truck starting to actually look like a truck. Catch you guys later.